Hey guys, welcome to the JBS garage. Well, today we'll be ripping this bumper off and then turning it into a drag car. So to begin the drag car process, you need to undo this 110mm here. I know what we're actually doing is we're actually just fixing the bumper because it sucked. So yeah, come on 10mm. We're doing this winging it because it's only a bumper in it. We'll figure it out somehow. There's 110mm. Look at that progress. One of the 10mm out that was down there, and the half of the bracket. Now we've got to see what's holding on the rest of this bracket. There's a Phillips head underneath, so got to run inside to get across it. So it's one of them bastard panel pins. You know the ones, guys. So now that's out. What else is holding it in? It's off. So now that's off. Let's get the new one. First things first, we're going to put it on the car with the 10mm. So get it up into place. Quite a hard squeeze. Fucking hell. Might have to get a quick tap. And if you look, you can see on the top that it's just getting proper caught on there. So, might have to get a standing blade and shave it off a little bit. Maybe. I'll try one more time. Oh, this bloody thing. There is no way in hell that is ever fitting on there. So, to the shed we go. So, managed to get that on finally. Just gonna pull everything out of the way to get in there and put the 10mm back in. Just have to shave it down a little bit, that's all I like to do, guys. Don't over torque that because it's just going into plastic, bear in mind. And now, the bumper should just go over.
Look at the other screen.
I'm not gonna lie, I think I just did it, guys. Excuse me. Now.
Is it gonna go on?
Let's try again.
Yes.
Yes, and it's actually like, not flush with the body panels, but close enough.
Better than it was.
Yep, so now all we have to do is put in the top 10mm and the crosshead little pin. This one here, you need to push in to get it to the right place. And then start doing it up. As soon as you've got it started threaded by hand, then put it in with your tools. There you go, don't need to over tighten it. Now we get the push pin, which we somehow managed to keep intact, which is like a never heard of thing ever. Now you squeeze this thing. And that's that side. Now, time for the other side. So, as you can see, this one's actually intact, but the bumper was hanging off. So what we've realised is that actually there was no screw or pin in the bottom there. So we're just going to put one in there for now, but and clip it back in. So that's it, the bumper, both sides now. Alright. So, if you like the video, give it a like. If you didn't, don't like it, dislike it, do whatever, give it a comment. If you want to see more Citroen stuff, let me know, or follow Lauren on Instagram. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.